of all, I would like to greet our school director, Engineer Bonifacio Aydina Jr., our beloved Vice President for Academic Affairs, Mr. Winston Jerome C. Luna, our school directress, Ms. Elisa Luna, guests, faculty and staff, and of course, the students. Good evening. Today is already February 24, 2012. Exactly a month from now, we seniors will be graduating. Hopefully, all of us will be here. And as we leave our alma mater, we already have checked and seen some people who would stand not exactly the way we did in school years, but instead, they've been making their own ways to serve as an inspiration and at the same time, their role models. I myself, I've been here since 4 years of high school. I already knew and I've been used to the way they think, act, and laugh. There are some people who goes that close to your heart. But for me, I can see that lahat sila malapit sa puso ko. And